initiated this week. Here is information on a winter storm warning for the following counties in Wisconsin: Columbia, Dane, Dodge, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson, Lafayette, Rock, and Sauk. Winter weather advisory in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. Tuesday to 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. What? For the winter weather advisory, snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches. For the winter storm warning, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 9 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles an hour. Where? Portions of east central, south central, and southeast Wisconsin. When? For the winter weather advisory, from 9 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. For the winter storm warning, from 6 a.m. Tuesday to 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Slow down and use caution while traveling. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Now for the official National Weather